Hey everyone, we're doing another FSD 14.2.2.5 test. We just went to the shop to schedule a repair for my truck. So we've made that appointment. I tried to get video of it driving here, but the camera mount fell off. So we didn't make that work. But we're videoing now. I've tried to fix the camera mount so it won't fall off. And we've already programmed our destination into our nav. I'm going to click Start Self-Driving. And we're in drive. We're going to take a right turn out of here. Let's see how we do. Get to the edge. Making sure we're safe. We're going to back up a little bit. Very interesting. Oh, interesting. I'm not exactly sure why it did that. But we pulled out. We're looking good. I think we lost our route, so we're going to try to get it back. And we're on the way. Maybe I didn't quite program the routing like I thought. That one could be on me. We'll take that one under advisement. Take a right turn here. It's about 37 degrees. We're a little bit above freezing. Trying to melt some of this snow. Been using FSD all winter and it's done pretty well. And this 14.2.2.5 version is an update I just got today. Up ahead, we're going to turn right. Looks like it wants me to apply some force to the steering wheel. I must have looked away. So we did that. And we'll take a right turn over here. And we'll take a right turn at the end of the strip. And here we go. Very nice. Trying to tilt my head to the right here so I'm like in view of the camera so it doesn't think I'm being inattentive. Here we'll turn left to our destination. We'll turn up here, which takes us to the driveway, and we're using FSD standard mode, which is set up to turn in the driveway. And we're going to make our turn. There's my broken truck on the left. And we should just park it right in the driveway. I haven't tried to get this thing to park in the garage yet. That would be super interesting. I'm not even sure I see that as a option here. Don't see that. Driveway. We'll have to try to see if I can get it to park in the garage. Maybe that's going to be a future test. So for now, we'll go ahead and stop the video. Thank you, everyone. And we have another successful FSD test under our belt. Have a great day.